Welcome back to one of Twinkl's How to Draw videos. Just follow along with me to draw a three-eyed alien. We're going to start with the three big eyes. To do this, just draw three big circles like this. You can draw them pretty much anywhere you like. Next, draw a larger circle for the body. Underneath the body, draw a squiggly line that loops back to the body from both sides. After this, we're going to draw in some arms on either side of the body. But because it's an alien, you can make the hands look however you want. This time, we've decided to draw in some claws. Now we're going to connect the eyes to the body. Just mark in some lines that connect the two together. Inside the body, draw a nice big smile for our alien. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Finally, we have a rough sketch of our alien. Now it's time to take your pen and fill in our outlines and finer details. Begin by outlining our eyes, like so. Don't worry about drawing exactly over your sketch layer. It is just there as a rough guide. Under the eyes, it needs a socket. So mark in two curved lines and carry on drawing down the antennas, using our guideline as a central marker. Repeat this on the other two eyes. Next, outline the top half of the body. Make sure that you don't mark over our antennas. Then we can draw over the squiggly line for the bottom half of the body. Moving on to the arms, draw in our connecting lines and mark over the claws. Inside, add in some ridges to make them look like they have a sharp edge. Lastly, draw in a small line either side of the alien's mouth for some cheeks. Then mark over our big smile, because even aliens can be cute and happy. You can draw any shape you want for the teeth, but we're going to add in two pointy front and bottom teeth. Now it's the fun part. It's time for the final details which bring the alien to life. Begin by drawing in another squiggly line above the original. Then, in between this little space, mark in lines going all the way across. This is to add in some texture, which shows what the alien might actually feel like. As our alien looks part slug, we want to show its sliminess. So, around the body, draw in some slimy sweat marks. It's dripping with slime. Inside our eyes, we're going to draw in a dot for the pupils, making it look in any direction you want. Finish this off by drawing a circle around each pupil. Finally, mark in another circle between the pupil and circle to show light coming into the eye. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a three-eyed slug-like alien. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.